In this question number 1, we're going to take a look at equations of a sphere through 2 points and also intersection of the sphere with the xz plane. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is look up equation of a sphere. So you can see that in the formula, the very first formula. And we have something like x minus a squared plus y minus b squared plus z minus c squared equals radius squared. So ABC would be the center, okay? So the center is 1, -6, and 5. And so that would mean that this equation is going to look like x subtract 1 squared plus y subtract -6, which is plus 6 squared, plus z subtract 5 squared equals what? Radius squared. Now, radius here is going to be the distance between the point that is given and the center. Because for the sphere, any point on the sphere has the same distance to the center. So r squared is just going to be subtract the points, the x coordinates, plus square that, plus subtract the y coordinates, square that, and then plus subtract the z coordinates and square that. Okay, so if I want to compute something like this, let's see if we can just bring up the scientific calculator in a sidebar here. Just make it a little bit larger. So this will become 2 minus 1 squared plus 1 plus 6 squared plus -3 minus 5 squared. All right, so the answer is 114. Okay, so final answer would look like x minus 1 squared plus y plus 6 squared. So be careful. You want to put the center here, not the other point. And then that should equal to whatever we got over here, which is 114. Now, xz plane is characterized in such a way that every single point on that plane has y equals 0. So in the equation we got over here, we need to set y equals 0. Okay, so let's see. So we got 114. Now, when we set y equals 0 in that equation, that's going to be the intersection of that sphere, which most likely will be some sort of circle with the xz plane. So when y equals 0, so we're substituting right here 0, we're going to get 6 squared plus z minus 5 squared equals 114. So the last step is to just subtract 36 from both sides to cancel it out. And other than that, that's the answer. So we're going to get, so whatever this is, minus 36, 78. Okay, so this will look like x minus 1 squared. You do have to simplify it. And it is a circle. And the radius of the circle is going to be like square root of whatever that number is. So that would be 78 here.